refuse to conform to the norm of this rap shit. Refuse to perform in a storm of this madness. Choose to go on in the form of a savage. Crews they be gone in the form of a casket. Rules I be on may be wrong but a habit. Jews go beyond the Quran and ancient tablets. Fool for eons by Europeans and magic. Yo, fuck a rhyme pattern, I'm sick of these faggots. Talent you don't have it, never have, never will. My son's nicer than you and my bitch on birth control pills. You was never ill, kid, from the booth to the block, and you ain't never killed shit. The truth is in the ox. I shoot a cop like my pops and bang for the movement. Spit back alley gutter, be in the club or some smooth shit. Listen, dogs, I do this. Prove it I'm nicer. You was washing my socks 90 days up in Rikers. You ain't no 25 to lifer. I'm verbal ascension. The only time you ever served was after school in detention. I'm Smith and the Wesson, a deadly combination. I'm a Psycho Charlton Heston ready for assassination. You and your man debating how to handle the squadron. I eat, sleep, shit flames, and channel the arson. I'm Mangle a marksman. I'm starving for comp. I'm playing against myself. Contenders get stomped. What you want, a hot 16 or a 9, son? You choose it. You a dick in a room of dykes. Come on, dogs, useless. My crew is one of the illest advanced weaponry. I live for the fullest, die for the man next to me. Black and gold will mention me on the day of judgment. Righteous flamethrower, almighty king, never subject to the laws of man. Adamantium claws in my hands. To all of my fam, this album grand slam. Knock it out the park like Knox in the dark, taking shots from the SWAT every time my mind sparks. I'm too smart for these crabs. They fighting in a barrel for apparel and a jag. My jab like a hook, my hook like a shotty. Close range, no aim, still body your body. Sorry, I'm Marley Marti and some Castro. Harvey the Garvey, God be a natural. Scar me and probably end up in my castle. Hardly a party, I Chris Farley these rap dudes.
Yeah.